2013, March 30th, we're looking at a bee swarm here in Sunnyvale at Charles Street Gardens. There's usually 1 to 2 or even 3 bee swarms every year. And the bees have, as you see, congregated right to the top of the tree. That dark surface is all bees. And they'll be removed within the next couple days by a beekeeper and added to a hive or to create a new hive. This is very magical stuff here, folks. So I'm signing off from Charles Street Gardens. It looks like the first swarm of the year, March 30th, 2013, Food Forest Magic.